Hi there, my name is Hao and this is just another video of me solving random little problems. So let's begin. So given an unsorted array, so the array is not sorted, unsorted array, nums, return the length of the longest consecutive element sequence. You must write an algorithm that runs in ON time. Okay, so we have the array right here, and as long as we have just the consecutive sequence, so the consecutive sequence here is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So the element doesn't have to be next to each other. It just have to be a consecutive sequence. And they want us to do it in O of n. So my first intuition is that we can just say we can use a set we can turn our input array into a set, right? And then as we iterate through each element, we can like have a temporary length, right, of 1. Then we just keep checking if the set have 99, right, or set have 98, right, just the num minus 1. And if they have the element, we just keep increasing it by 1, right? So it would work in most of the case. However, this edge case, let's say we have another set, let's say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0, right? In this case, so if we start at 5, right, then we need to check to the setup 5, setup 4, setup 3, 2, and 1, right? Similar to here, setup 4, right? 3, 2, and then 1, right? So it would be like the same at this part. So if we just keep going, then the time complexity would be O of n squared because we basically need to go through it in the nested for loop like this, and that is not good. So so we need to do something a little bit different to do with this. So instead of checking for every single element, we can only check the sequence whenever we found the starting point. So how do we know we have reached a starting point of the sequence? So it is when the set of n, which is like let's say 5 here, right? Plus 1 doesn't exist in the set, right? So if the set that doesn't have the number plus 1, then we know that we are at the start of the set. Of course, you can do it like in the opposite way using the minus. So you can pick the sequence starting point either at 5 or at 0. If you pick from small to large, then you need to do -1 instead of +1, right? -1 instead of +1. So in this case, I'm just gonna choose the largest number at the starting point here. So let's say we have 4 here and then 5 here. So if we are at 4, we're gonna check set of 4 plus 1. So it's 4 plus 1 is in the set, right? And we found it because this is 5 and 5 is in the set. So we just keep moving. So this is 5, right? And 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 is not in the set, so we know that this is a starting point. So we can continue to find the length of the sequence here. So we know 5, right? Set of 5 is 1, right? 4 is in the set, so 2. 3 is in the set, so 3. 2 is in the set, so 4. 1 is in the set, 5, and then 0 is in the set, 6. -1 is not in the set, so we terminate here and update our max to 6. Our max should be starting out at 0 because we know that the minimum length of the nums can be empty here. So we start at 0. All right, so let's code this up. Oh, and by the way, the time complexity of this would be O of n because we only try to find the sequence at the starting point, right? So the worst case would be like O of 2n, and we can reduce that to O of n because we don't care about constant, right? So in this case, actually, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do like we're gonna iterate through 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0, and for the 5, we do 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So this is like 2n, right? Okay. That code is up. We need a set. We need to turn our num into a set, a new set of num. Max length is start at 0. We want to return at the end, and we need to iterate through the input integers array. We have a current number, it's num sub I. Also need to keep track of the current length, right? Current length will also be 0. And then we can check why if set dot has, so if the current num plus 1 is not in the set, which means it is a start of the sequence, start of sequence, then we can start to explore the lines, right? If set dot has random plus 1 is not in the set, okay. Then we're gonna do a while loop, while set dot has current num, and we're just gonna update the line, right? And then minus the num, so we can do 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And after the while loop, we can update our max length. So max length equal to, so if current length is greater than max length, then we just update the max length to the current length. And I think that's pretty much it. Just give it a try. And it works. And also remember that the space complexity will be of n. Because we need a set to store our input array here. Thank you for watching.